AVNation.tv. We are here in the Samsung booth at ISE 2019. We're here with Nord. How are you doing, Nord?
Nice to meet you.
Good to see you again. We are in kind of one of the business sections.
Yes.
All right, and this is something that we probably haven't talked on too often. It's something that most people don't think about.
Yes.
Monitors for office workers,
That is
for desk space. This is your new space monitor.
Yep.
One, tell us why you're focusing and spending time at ISE exhibiting, showing a monitor for an office space. But two, why you spent the time to go into the design and the engineering of this honestly really cool product.
Perfect. So as you see, right, office spaces are evolving, right? They're focusing more towards productivity. They're focusing more towards what can I do, maximize in the minimal amount of spaces, right? So we are taking design to the next level in the production of monitors, right? So that's where our space monitor really comes into existence. As you see the design, right, it's a very thin bezel, and it goes across the wall in a flush design, right?
Yeah.
That means for somebody sitting in front of a computer gets their entire desk space, right, to do a lot of other things that they want to do, right? Versus a standard monitor in which you keep on a desk and it takes a good 8 to 12 inches of space, and that's lost, right? So that was the whole concept and design behind creating the space monitor, right? The other thing that you see, right, is cable management. That when you see you have multiple cables hanging out from a monitor, it's a nightmare. You're not going to believe it. A couple of years ago, I had that issue in which I had to like use clips and everything, right? But if you see the design, it's a very simple design. It's a simple clamp. It clamps directly to the end of your desk.
Right.
And the cable is nothing but one single thin cable that goes all the way to the back, right, and plugs in the monitor, which includes a power as well as the display connectivity. Right. So it makes it very easy for people to come and use it. And it's flushed, right? So people have the flexibility to move it forward and backward.
So it moves as well.
It moves as well.
So it's essentially like a full motion. Like, are we talking swivel? Or are we talking full on?
We're not talking swivel at this point, right? We're just talking forward and backward motion, right? Forward and backward, and you can adjust the angle accordingly as per your usage, right?
Okay. So essentially, it's what we've been working on for years, where you have a monitor and then you buy this massive arm that you have to clamp. This is doing that essentially all in one, but mounting discreetly, little small footprint, and then full motion. Exactly. That's fantastic.
That's what we're focusing on, right? And we're keeping up with the trends of the resolution that people look for in terms of when buying a new product in a monitor. We have two sizes available right now. One is our 27-inch, which comes in the what do you call it? The standard
Ultra HD.
Ultra HD resolution, and then is our 32-inch monitor, in which we have the full blown 4K resolution in it. Right. So with these two, it's a good entry level for us with this specific design, and we've already had a lot of people adapt to this, right? Especially with the new trends of people adapting to what you call as smart offices. Right. This is a great trend that they're looking forward to.
Because they can come in, just plug in and go.
Makes sense.
That's fantastic. Why did you go with such large screen sizes? Is it just because that's where the market is at? That's what they're demanding?
So it's a sweet spot, right? With the 27 and the 32-inch, it's a perfect balance between size and the resolution that what people want in a market space. And those are the two most popular screen sizes that we have observed that people are going for as a requirement when building new office spaces.
Very good. So if somebody wants more information about these monitors and obviously the whole suite of products that Samsung has, where can they go and do that?
They can find everything about this monitor and more at samsung.com/business.
Excellent. Thank you so much, sir.
Pleasure meeting
you. For
you.
more coverage from ISE 2019 and to learn more about AVNation, please visit avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv.